Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're talking about the adaptive one-handed cutting board, the best adapted cutting board on the market for individuals with disabilities, stroke survivors, and amputees. If you've ever struggled with meal prep due to limited mobility or difficulty using traditional cutting boards, this could be the solution you've been searching for. This cutting board is specifically designed for one-handed use, which means it provides extra support and stability while you cut, chop, and slice. Whether you've lost the use of one hand, or you need extra stability after a stroke or surgery, this cutting board allows you to work independently and comfortably in the kitchen. It's crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, which is lightweight, durable, and easy to maintain. Its sturdy construction ensures that it can handle any cutting task, from slicing vegetables to preparing meat. What makes this cutting board truly adaptive is its multi-functional design. It's not just a regular cutting board. It features non-slip feet that keep it securely in place while you work, so you don't have to worry about the board shifting around. The unique shape and tray design help to hold food in place while cutting, and it even makes peeling and slicing bread easier. Its versatile design means you can use it for a variety of kitchen tasks, making it a great all-in-one tool. The board also features convenient storage, allowing you to keep your kitchen organized and tidy. It's easy to clean, as it's designed for hand washing only, and its bamboo material is both sustainable and hygienic. For individuals who struggle with traditional cutting boards, this product offers an accessible and practical solution for everyday kitchen use. At just $42.99, this adaptive cutting board is a fantastic investment in your independence and ease in the kitchen. If you or a loved one is dealing with mobility challenges, this is a game changer. It's lightweight, versatile, and helps improve confidence in the kitchen, making meal prep easier and more accessible. So, whether you're looking to regain some independence or simply make your kitchen tasks more manageable, the adaptive one-handed cutting board is here to help. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews on innovative products that can improve your daily life. Until next time, stay independent, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next review.